Archer Aviation. How are we going to be affected by the Stellantis CEO resigning? So guys, we got the news that the CEO of Stellantis, Carlos Tavares, has left his role due to a disagreement with the board. This news was broke straight away as it happened in our Discord, so join for free in the description below. So what I want to bring you today is a bull case, a bear case, followed by the Hustle Brothers' thoughts on how it will affect Archer as a business. I'll also tell you what we done today, and let me let you in on a secret. We did make a trade on Archer, so stick around to find out. Before we do this though, I have to say one thing. We had a lot of fun on eVTOL Weekly. It was our first live stream and we loved engaging with so many of you as a community. So once again guys, thank you so much. You are amazing. Right guys, let's get into the background about this break news and then we'll get into the bull and bear case. So Stellantis has been more than just an investor in Archer Aviation. It's been a cornerstone in Archer's journey towards commercialising their eVTOL. With Tavares' departure, there's uncertainty about the continuity of this strategic partnership. Any change in leadership could alter Stellantis' focus, potentially affecting investment decisions, strategic support, or the priority given towards eVTOL ventures like Archer. The new leadership might have different visions or priorities, which could either bolster or undermine the partnership. So starting with a bullish case for Archer Aviation post Stellantis CEO resignation, at number 1, we have strategic independence. Archer will now have more autonomy in decision making. So with less direct influence from Stellantis, Archer might gain more freedom to pivot or innovate in ways that align with its core vision without needing to coordinate extensively with a larger business strategy. This could lead to faster decision making and potentially more disruptive innovations in the eVTOL sector. The leadership could prompt Archer to diversify its strategic partnerships, reducing dependency on Stellantis. This diversification might lead to new collaborations with tech giants, other automotive companies, or even aerospace firms more deeply entrenched in the aviation industry, potentially bringing a fresh expertise and capital to the table. And number 2, we have market opportunity. With increased focus on urban air mobility, if the new leadership at Stellantis decides to maintain or even increase investment in innovation mobility solutions, Archer could benefit from a competitor's withdrawal, gaining a larger share of the eVTOL market. Then with the global push towards sustainability and reducing urban congestion, governments might ramp up support for eVTOL ventures. Archer could then leverage this trend, especially if it positions itself as a leader in the eco-friendly urban transport solutions. At number 3, we have financial stability. So speaking about existing investments, Archer has already secured substantial funding, including that of Stellantis. If this funding remains intact or is supplemented by new investments, Archer's financial runway could be extended, providing stability during the transition period. The narrative of overcoming adversity, like a key partner leadership change, could resonate well with investors, portraying Archer as a resilient and forward-thinking potential, attracting more investment. At number 4, we have technological and operational advancement. There will be an innovation push. By facing new challenges might drive Archer to innovate further, perhaps by accelerating their own manufacturing capabilities or by developing new technologies that could give them the edge over competitors like Joby Aviation. In regards to certification progress, if Archer continues to make strides towards FAA certification, this progress could counteract any leadership effects from leadership change at Stellantis, focusing the narrative on regulatory success and operational readiness. At number 5, we have brand and market perception. Archer could emerge as a thought leader in the eVTOL industry by capitalising on the narrative of independence and innovation. Branding itself as a pioneer could attract partnerships and customers looking for cutting-edge solutions. Any high-profile change in partnership dynamics often garners media attention, which could be leveraged in increased visibility, helping Archer attract talent, investors, and public interest. Now let's jump across to the bearish case for all you shorters out there. So at number 1, strategic uncertainty. There will be a loss of a visionary leader. Carlos Tavares was known for a forward-looking approach. His departure might signal a shift in Stellantis' strategy, potentially reducing the emphasis on eVTOL technology, which could impact Archer's long-term plans. There may be a re-evaluation of the partnership. The new leadership at Stellantis might not see eVTOL as a priority, leading to reassessment of the partnership with Archer. This could mean less funding, delayed projects, or even termination of agreements, leaving Archer in a vulnerable position. At number 2, we have financial risks. The uncertainty could lead to cautious approach from investors. If Stellantis pulls back or hesitates with further investment, Archer might face challenges in securing the capital needed for scaling up operations or further research and development. The announcement might be what's already led to the drop in Archer's stock price, reflecting investors' concern. Continued volatility could make it harder for Archer to raise capital through equity markets. We mentioned this yesterday in the stream. At number 3, we have operational challenges. Archer may face manufacturing delays. If Stellantis reduces its commitment, the planned manufacturing scale-up could be at risk. Archer might need to find a new manufacturing partner or invest significantly in its own production facilities, which could delay rollout of their service. Any shift in Stellantis' strategy could also disrupt supply chains, especially if Archer was relying on components or expertise from Stellantis. This might lead to a production delay or increased costs of components. At number 4, we have market and competitive pressures. In the absence of Stellantis' strong backing, competitors might see the opportunity to advance. If rivals perceive Archer as weakened, they might aggressively pursue the market share, regulatory approvals, or technological leads. The public perception may also change. If the narrative shifts towards Archer as a company facing significant challenges due to the loss of the major partnership, it could affect customer trust, partnerships, and even willingness of cities to invest in infrastructure for eVTOL operations. At number 5, regulatory and certification delays. With less backing from the global automotive giant, Archer might find navigating the regulatory landscape more challenging, especially if the partnership facilitated a smoother regulatory process. Any operational or financial instability might cast doubts on Archer's ability to meet certification timelines, potentially pushing back their commercial service launch. Let's now break down the bullish and the bearish outlook, and then I'm going to give you what the Hustle Brothers' thoughts are and how we've played this. So in relation to the bullish perspective, Archer Aviation has the potential to emerge stronger from the situation if they can do these things: quickly adapt to changes in partnership dynamics, secure or maintain investor confidence through transparent communication and solid progress in technology and certification, and the third one is leverage the opportunity to innovate independently or with new partners. Diving into the bearish perspective, there are significant risks. The loss of a key strategic partner could lead to financial, operational, or strategic setbacks. The market perception might shift negatively, impacting stock value and future funding, and operational delays in manufacturing or certification could critically impact Archer's timeline to market. So you want to know the Hustle Brothers' thoughts on this and whether we bought or sold today. So first, our outlook on this would be, while there is valid concerns, Archer Aviation isn't without its strengths. The company has already shown significant progress in technology, has secured other partnerships, and has a clear vision for urban air mobility. The key for Archer will be in how it navigates this transition, and I've broken it down into 4 points. At number 1, strategic focus. Remaining focused on its core competencies and innovation in the eVTOL technology. At number 2, they need to be shrewd financially. Managing existing funds wisely while seeking new capital without diluting equity excessively. This is why I said yesterday they should sell when the stock is well high. At number 3, operational agility. Archer needs to adapt manufacturing plans if necessary and ensure supply chain stability. And at number 4, stakeholder engagement. They need to keep investors, partners, and the public engaged with regular updates on progress and strategic adjustments. I think the next 12 to 24 months will be pivotal for Archer Aviation, as it either leverages the change for growth or struggles with the challenges it presents. The company's leadership, along with its ability to adapt and innovate, will largely dictate which one of these scenarios unfold. Now you want to know what we done today. So today we bought, and I've specified our price we bought in at in our Discord Road to Glory chat. So if you want to go to it, it's the $107 all the way to 107k, so make sure to check out the Discord link in the comments. And oh yeah guys, if you want to see episode 1 of eVTOL Weekly, well come meet the Hustle Brothers right here next.